What's up, guys? It's Marisaaabel. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, if no one ever told you guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, this steering wheel is freezing. Let's go on a highway and see how the sunrise looks. Alright, but here it's still dark. I gotta put gas. Ooh, what the hell is that? Your girl gets to put gas in her car. I'm at a quarter. Psych. Oh, that's beautiful. Like if you see like the snow and the bald ass trees. Anyone coming? Nope. Damn, the truck boys are speeding. That workout was so good. Oof. I did some stairs and then I lifted some weights. Gym. Sweating or red, like my face red, it gets really red. That means I did not work as hard, like work out as hard. If I just come out just like how I came in, obviously that just means that I really didn't do my best. And that the next day I'm gonna make sure I go harder. So that's just me. I don't know, I think I have to like probably put like 30 maybe. I gotta see how much gas is and then I'll do my math. Is the sun coming up? It's coming up slowly, but it's coming up. What time is it? It's 6:30 and it's barely up. The fact that I need to worry if the cart tilts because it's low on the ground is the best feeling ever. But when you in like an SUV or like anything higher than like a stance car, you'll feel that shit about to flip over. That's the crazy part, right? All those stores are closed. Yo, that's crazy. Friday's legit closed down. I used to go there once in a while. Cause I like their what is it, potato skins and their buffalo wings. But so sad. Wait, I forget where my gas station thing is at. Oh yeah, I think it's on this side. Yes, it's definitely on this side. 339. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take a thumbnail real quick. I didn't even turn off the car. Ooh, look at the sky. It's so beautiful. Let me take my thumbnail real quick. Ugh. Yeah. Thank you. Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I almost filled it up. So I think if I put 35 or 40, I would have been way better. But I'm at a more than half. We're okay. Let's go this way. Oh no, look at that ice. Dang. I don't know what the hell that guy was saying. I don't know what he was saying. I was just saying, I'm just taking a picture. Whoa, 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 wow. There ain't no yield sign here? What the hell? Okay, I guess not. Damn, my guy. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. I can't wait till March comes because we're almost close by. We're legit like a week and some change away. So I'm excited for that. March comes, that means car show season opens up. Just in general, like car things open up. They closed Burger King down here. That is insane. They be closing everything down. Woo! This is probably the most relaxing drive I had in like a long time. Because there's no one on the road. Barely. Alright. Alright guys, that is the end of this video, this POV. Make sure to like the video. I woke up very early for you guys, but also for myself because I went to the gym. So wow, look at the sky, it's so beautiful. Look at the sun over there. Oh yeah, that's nice. You know, you don't really see this unless you wake up early. So, but yeah, just wanted to take you guys along with me, and that's pretty much it. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I see you guys all in the next video, and I can't wait for the next videos actually. So peace.